Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this tutorial I use this kind of color, and the hook, the size of the hook is 1.75 millimeter. For this headband I first make chains, so I make chains. This is the first slip, and then make 12 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now we have 12 chains here. Then we need 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and put the hook in 1, 2, 3, 4 in 4 chains exactly here, and make 1 slip stitch like this. Again 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, go to the 1, 2, 3 here and make slip stitch. Again 1, 2, 3 chains, 1, 2, 3 here, slip stitch. Again 1, 2 and 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and again 1, 2 and 3 chains, and 1, 2 and 3. This is the first of chains we make. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 hole we have. Then we make 3 chains again and go to the first hole exactly here, put the hook here and make yarn over and make 1 slip stitch. Again 1, 2 and 3 chains, and put the hook here into this hole and make 1 slip stitch. Again 1, 2 and 3, and put the hook here and make slip stitch. Again 1, 2 and 3, and put the hook here, then make 1 slip stitch. 1, 2 and 3, and put the hook here and make 1 slip stitch. Now we have this shape. Again I repeat this 1, 2 and 3 chains, put the hook into this hole and a slip stitch. 1, 2 and 3 chains, again here and slip stitch, and repeat until we arrive in the end of this round. You can see it. Again 1, 2 and 3, and put the hook here. So you must continue as this until you think it is good for your head, for the size of your head. For example, if you want to make it for yourself, the size it must be good for your hair size, and if you make it for your children, the size must be good for your children. I prepare this size is good for my head. You can see it, okay? So make it and then I come back. To complete this, you must crochet the flower for this part. So again I use this color. You can use this color or any color you like it. Then make chains, we need 6 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 chains here, and then put the hook in the first chains and make a ring like this, and then into this ring first make 3 chains, and then into this ring make double crochet. We need 18 double crochet here into this ring, so you must crochet this until you complete this round. We need 18 double crochet here. Now I have 18 double crochet here, and then put the hook in the first stitch and make 1 slip stitch, then make 1, 2 and 3 chains, and then put the hook here in the next stitch and make 1 slip stitch, then again 1, 2 and 3 chains, and put the hook in the next stitch and make another slip stitch, again 1, 2 and 3 chains, put the hook here in the next stitch and make a slip stitch. Now we have 3 of this shape, we need 4 more, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, 1, 2 and 3, again 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we need 1 more, then make 3 chains again, but put the hook here in the first hole and make a slip stitch, again 1, 2 and 3 chains, and put the hook in the next hole and make another slip stitch, again 1, 2 and 3 chains, put the hook here and make slip stitch, 1, 2 and 3 chains, put the hook here, 1, 2 and 3, put the hook here, again 1, 2 and 3, and 1 more, then make a chain and cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the extra yarn. Okay, now I have 6 of this shape, then I use this and put it here, then make something like this, again make all of them like this. Okay, then put some glue here and put it next of this, and again repeat. And then put all of them here to complete this. Okay, now this is complete. I fix it together and put it here, so you can use it for baby or for yourself. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.